Alright, let's talk about Python developers. Because somewhere along the way, everyone decided Python is the magic key to unlimited salaries, AI jobs, and becoming a data scientist in 30 days. Yeah, no. Python is amazing, but people treat it like a cheat code. They learn print hello world once and suddenly think they are ready for Google DeepMind. Meanwhile, real Python devs are out here fighting for their lives. You're juggling APIs, machine learning libraries, backend frameworks, data pipelines, async code, and that one weird bug that only appears when the server is under load at exactly 3 am. And here's the funniest part. To everyone outside tech, Python is easy. To everyone inside tech, Python is simple until it's completely ruins your week. Ask any real Python dev how many hours they have lost to broken virtual environments, version conflicts, pip versus pip3 chaos, weird dependency hell, and libraries that act like they were written by someone who just want to watch the world burn. And don't even get me started on data science hype. Some guy watches 2 TensorFlow tutorials and thinks he is building the next ChatGPT. Then he discovers gradient descent and disappears from the internet for 6 months. Here's the real truth. Being a good Python developer isn't about memorizing syntax. It's about understanding systems. It's about writing clean, maintainable code. It's about actually knowing what your machine learning model is doing, not just copy pasting notebook cells you don't understand. Real Python devs can automate, analyze, architect, and scale. They can build a backend API in fastapi today, then jump into pandas and clean a trash dataset tomorrow, and still fix a broken ETL pipeline before lunch. Python devs are versatile, dangerously versatile. And that's why they're still in demand even with the AI exploding everywhere. Because at the end of the day, AI can generate code, but it can't replace someone who understands why the code matters in the first place. So yeah, Python is popular, but being a real Python developer, that takes patience, problem solving, and more debugging than anyone ever warns you about. Respect to the ones doing it for real.